Earth is doomed. A devastating force is coming, and we're running out of time. As civilization crumbles around us and our planet is destroyed, can we build spacecraft to take us to new, habitable worlds? Can humankind escape annihilation? Can we evacuate Earth?
It seems like science fiction. The end of the world, no going back, we have to escape, we have to evacuate Earth. But it's really impossible to say that it will never happen.
We have this view of stability on the planet Earth because it's existed for several billions of years and we've evolved on a reasonably stable environment.
We have small catastrophes all the time, like hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, but in general, the human population continues to grow. This gives us perhaps a false impression about the future.
여보는 거 좋아하지?
아빠, 여기?
그래, 여기. 잠시 한번 볼래? 잘 보이니?
All of human life, human civilization, and all the other life on this planet really exists in a tiny, precarious shell on this rocky object going around a star in the middle of a big and lonely galaxy.
Is that a shooting star?
Oh, wow, yeah, look at that one.
The ups and downs that we've experienced as a species are nothing compared to what the universe can throw at us. Now, there's a whole list of bad things that can happen to a planet like the Earth.
¿Eso está pasando ahora?
Sí.
Vamos.
So there's scenarios where our entire planet may not only become utterly uninhabitable now and in the foreseeable future, but there are scenarios where our planet, the Earth, could be completely destroyed.
Abran el domo! Abran el domo!
Get in the trunk. Get in the trunk. Get in the trunk.
Reports out of cities from Tucson, Arizona to Okayama, Japan describe meteors the size of bowling balls raining down untold destruction.
Authorities estimate the death toll at 250,000 and rising. This could be the worst natural disaster the world has ever known.
Some leading scientists are now suggesting this deadly event may only be the tip of the iceberg, a signal that the destruction of our world is rapidly approaching.
If we were suddenly bombarded with a shower of large objects from space, that would be catastrophic for Earth, and it would mean many different things, but none of them are good.
Now, there are objects out in the universe that would make the Earth utterly uninhabitable or possibly destroy it forever. These objects could fling comets and asteroids towards us well before they actually reach anywhere close to where we are. So based on all of these unprecedented meteor showers, we then turn our telescopes in that direction and look intensely to see what was there. We might begin to see, for example, a rogue object from somewhere else, from intergalactic space. One of the most extreme possibilities we can think of would involve an object that we call a neutron star. Now, a neutron star is incredibly compact, and that size means that its brightness can be 1,000,000 times less than that of the sun.
A neutron star is a stellar corpse. A star much more massive than the sun burns through its fuel extremely rapidly. And at the end of its life, when it runs out of fuel, the entire core of the star simply collapses.
This creates one type of supernova in a massive stellar explosion.
But what's left behind is this incredibly dense core made of neutrons. It's something like 10 kilometers across.
Because a neutron star is the mass of 2 or 3 suns, its gravitational pull is enormously strong. That means that as objects get closer to it, they're subject to enormously powerful forces that can tear them apart.
The other really scary